But first tonight at 5, we want to follow breaking news in the Delphi murders case.
One of the attorneys representing Richard Allen is refusing to step down. He's now calling for the judge to remove herself.
Thanks for inviting us in. It's 5 o'clock. I'm Scott Swan in tonight for Anne Marie.
And I'm Felicia Lawrence. So let's get right over to Emily Longnecker. And Emily, you've actually been looking at these court documents that detail the accusations for the last 2 hours.
Yeah, what do they say?
Yeah, Scott and Felicia. In these documents, one of Richard Allen's attorneys, Bradley Rozzi, outlines why he thinks he should continue to represent Allen and why he believes Special Judge Frances Gull is the one who needs to go.
We've had an unexpected turn of events.
That's how Special Judge Frances Gull started the hearing last week, right before she announced attorneys for Richard Allen would be stepping down, Andrew Baldwin and Bradley Rozzi. That morning, we confirmed state police are investigating an evidence leak from Baldwin's office. Now, Rozzi says he will not step down. He says Judge Gull, quote, ambushed appointed counsel in her chambers before that hearing and, quote, strong-armed them to agree to leave the case. Rozzi claims, quote, the choice presented was to suffer a public shaming and be removed from the case or to voluntarily withdraw. In court documents, Rozzi says Judge Gull threatened to read a prepared statement in court, alleging the defense team had been, quote, grossly negligent in their representing Allen. Rozzi says among Gull's complaints were a leak of crime scene photographs, which Rozzi and Baldwin say they had no knowledge of and didn't participate in. In the motion filed today, Rozzi asked that Judge Gull recuse herself because her, quote, impartiality might reasonably be questioned.
Now we know Judge Gull has set a hearing for next Tuesday on Halloween. That's when she has said she expects Allen's new counsel to appear. Attorney Rozzi has asked that hearing be put off until all the rest of this is sorted out.
And our news team has been reading these new court filings today, and there's a lot of information and accusations
look,
in
we
here.
are still sorting through all of them. We're going to have additional details at 6, including a claim about what the judge told the defense allegedly to stop doing a week before that hearing.
Okay, Emily, we'll see you tonight at 6. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Well, it has been 6.5 years now since someone killed Abby Williams and Libby German.
A long time, and their names are the ones their family wants you to remember. Libby's grandma, Becky Patty, just posted this picture of the girls in the last hour with the message, let's remember the real victims and what happened to their rights. You can see all our past coverage of this case and more of the attorney's request for the judge to remove herself from the case on our website. You can scan this QR code on your screen using your camera phone, and it's going to take you to WTHR.com/Delphi.